Gracias.
Nolan, is that yummy?
Nope.
Nope.
Eat them.
You take a bite?
Not where you can see me.
Mmm. Do you like spicy Cheetos? Hey, little boy.
Like a fight.
Talking to you.
Leave me alone.
Hey,
Mama,
talking to you. Do you like that? No? I don't think you know what you like.
It's not like I eat. Doesn't matter.
Can you say thank you?
Thank you.
Oh, God. I use the toilet.
Can you blow me kisses?
Shower.